Answer B. We are asked to find n when 23 to base n is equals to 1111 is to the base 2. Therefore, we first of all convert everything to base 10. To convert to the base 10, we multiply with the base and we raise it to the power according to the position the number is from right to left in the figure. That means we now have something like 2 times n raised to power 1 plus 3 times n raised to power 0 is equals to 1 times 3 raised to power 3 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0. Then we will be now left with 2 times n raised to power 1 is n. 2 times n is 2n plus 3 times n raised to power 0. N raised to power 0 is 1. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. Therefore, 3 times 1 is 3 is equals to 1 times 3 raised to power 2 raised to power 3 is 8, because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 2 is 4, because 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1 is 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Then we now have 2n plus 3 is equals to 15 if we do our mathematics. Then we now have, since we collect like terms together, when we collect like terms, the figures will be at one side and the unknown figures will be at the other side. Then we now have 2n plus 3n equals to 15. Therefore, 2n is equals to 15 minus 3n. 2n is equals to 12, because 15 minus 3 is 12. N is equals to 12 over 2, which is 16, because 12 divided by 2 is 6. Then n is equals to 6. Answer C. We are asked to multiply 212 to base 3 by 201 of base 3 and leaving our answer in base 3. Therefore, we now have 2 times 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2. Then we now, from where the 0 is, we now start from 0. 0 times 2 is 0, 0 times 1 is 0, 0 times 2 is 0. Then we now start multiplying by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Therefore, since we are multiplying based on base 2, then you subtract 4 from 3, which is remaining 1. We now 4 minus 3 will remain 1. Then we carry 1, since it is base to the base 3. We times 2 by 1, which is 3. Since it is already in base 3, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 we got from multiplying 2 times 2, which is 3. Then, since it is in base 3, we write 0, because there is no remainder, and carry 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Then 4 plus 1, that is after multiplying and adding, which is 5. Therefore, since it is to the base 3, we now subtract 3 from 5, which will remain 2. We bring down the remainder, which is 2, and then write 1 in front of it and bring down 1. Then if you do our addition, we bring down 2, since it's to base 3, bring down 1, bring down 3. Since 2 plus 1 is 3, we write 0 since we are still adding to the base 2 and carry 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. We now bring down 1. We bring down 2 and bring down 1. Question 11. A. Express 425 base 6 as a number in base 4. B. Express the difference between 444 base 5 and 234 base 10 as a number base 5. Answer A. We are asked to express 425 base 6 as a number in base 4. To express this, we have to first of all convert from base 6 to base 10 before we now convert it to base 4. Therefore, what we do have to do is that to convert to base 10, we times it by the base and put it the power according to the position of the number counting from right to left. That is, we have 425 to base 6 is equals to 4 times 6 raised to power 2 plus 2 times 6 raised to power 1 plus 5 times 6 raised to power 0 base 10. A is equals to 4 times 6 squared is 36 plus 2 times 6 raised to power 1 is 6 times 2, which is 12, plus 5 times 6 raised to power 0 is 5, because anything raised to power 0 is 1. Therefore, 4 times 36 is 144 plus 2 times 6 is 12 plus 5. If you do the mathematics, we will have 161 and it will be in base 10. Then from base 10 we can now convert it to base 4 by dividing by 4. If you divide 161 by 4, it will give us 40 and it will remain 1. We divide 40 by 4, which is 10, and there will be no remainder. We write 0. We divide 10 by 4, which will become 2, with 2 remaining. Therefore, 161 to base 10 is equal to 2201 to base 4. Answer B. We are asked to express the difference between 444 base 5 and 234 base 10 as a number base 5. To get the difference of 444 base 5, we first of all with 234 base 10. First of all, convert 444 to base 10. After converting it to base 10, then we do the subtraction, find the difference we ask of it, then in base 10, and then we now convert it to base 5. So we first of all convert 444 to base 10, which is 4 times 5 raised to power 2 plus 4 times 5 raised to power 1 plus 4 times 5 raised to power 0 in base 10, which is equals to 4 times 25 plus 4 times 5 plus 4, which is equals to 100 plus 20 plus 4, which gives us 124 to base 10.